Assalamualaikum. My name is Shafinas binti Rozmi. I am digital art student. I from the class DES 3A. I want to talk about my washing machine, auto and manual. When I choosing a washing machine, bear in mind that auto but kind of machine will save your time and effort. A fully automatic machine will do more of the work for you. I want to explain about washing machine, auto and manual. Its normal washing cycle can be used for more sturdy fabrics such as cotton or polyester. Use hot water 60-90 Celsius to wash white color. Clothes should be washed separately from white and cooler temperature 30 or 40 Celsius. Make sure you use the correct method for fully automatic machine or semi-automatic machine. Remember to read the manual for your particular washing machine. It will be full of helpful tips and advice, and it will have important guidelines for you to follow. To start with, advisable to have your washing machine connected by a professional. Once that is done, the following steps explain how to wash clothes in a washing machine.